Hello tubers, on our way from Amsterdam to the north of the Netherlands, and we're just passing Schiphol Amsterdam Airport. Look, this is the Dutch Airlines, KLM. Oop. Going underneath. Well, let's see on this side. Oh, there's one waiting for takeoff. Our Royal Dutch KLM Airlines. Well, it's October 23rd, 2010. It's cold, wet snow or rain. It's all coming down. This is the end of the runways. You see, another KLM. Oh, it's getting cold. Look on the other side. There's another plane. This is all Amsterdam Schiphol Airport territory. Well, all the corn is off the fields. All the potatoes are off the fields. Let's pass this truck. Yep. Transport group. Well, it's a DAF CF. And we're now going into the direction of Beverwijk. This is the turn off to Amsterdam. Road constructions. 90 is allowed. Okay. Well, this is the other major highway. Well, the heater is on in the car. It's a bit cold in here. Well, we're going to turn left here. Direction Haarlem, Alkmaar, the famous cheese city of Alkmaar. Well, it's a Saturday, but there's quite a few people on the road. Not many trucks, but well, there's a blue license plate. That means a taxi or passenger transport with a license, you see? Blue license plate. Nice horse trailer. And there's another plane approaching Schiphol Amsterdam Airport. You see, there in the sky. It's coming down. See the lights? Yep. Oh, it is coming down. Well, be seeing YouTubers. Bye bye.